Hi friends, here we are given a two-digit number. The product of the two digits is actually equal to twice the sum of its digits, and the number whatever it is minus 27 is giving the same number but in reverse order. Right. So let us take this number whatever it is AB. Right. AB as the number. Now, AB, the product of these two numbers, A and B. This is the product of these two numbers is equal to twice the sum of these two digits. Twice the sum of A plus B. Right. Here A, B means product of A times B. What is the way to represent the number? To represent the number AB, we cannot write it like this. We have to write it as 10 times A plus B. If the number is something like 42, 10 times 4 plus 2 is 42. That is number. So AB means the product of the digits, whereas 10A plus B means the number. Please note the difference. We should write the number as 10A plus B, not AB. Right, AB means 4 into 2. 10A plus B means 40 plus 2. 40 plus 2 is the correct representation of writing the number. Right. So 10A plus B minus 27. Number minus 27 equals number in reverse order. Reverse order means 24. That means 10B plus A. Right. It should be 10B plus A, not just BA. BA means AB. AB, BA means product of B and A. 10B plus A. That means if 42 was the original number, 24, which is 10 times 2 plus 4. Right. So 10A plus B minus 27 equals 10B plus A. What does that mean? 10A minus A 9A plus B minus 10B 9B equals 27 to the other side equals 27. A minus B equals 3. Right. We know A plus B whole square equals A minus B whole square plus 4AB. Right. So that becomes A plus B whole square is what is A minus B whole square? Which is 3 square, which is 9. And what is AB? AB is 2 times A plus B. Right. So 4AB is 4 times 2 times A plus B, which is 8 times A plus B. So A plus B whole square becomes 9 plus 8 times A plus B. Let us just assume this A plus B has some P just for our simplicity purpose, because P square equals 9 plus 8P. It is easier for us to represent. That's why let us solve this equation. P square equals P square minus 9 minus 8P equals 0. P square minus 8P minus 9 equals 0. We can write it as P square minus 9P plus P minus 9 equals 0. 8P we can have to split as minus 9 plus 1. Why? Because the sum of this will become minus 8 and product of this will become minus 9. Minus 9 into plus 1 is minus 9. So let's take P common. P times P minus 9 plus 1 times P minus 9 equals 0. So P plus 1 times P minus 9 is 0. P is either minus 1 or 9. What is P? P is our A plus B, right? So A plus B is either minus 1 or 9. Right, and A minus B is already 3. We already know. A plus B is minus 1 and A minus B is 3. That means 2A is 3 minus 1, 2. So A is 1. And if A is 1, obviously B is minus 2. Right, this is one option. But B, A and B, because these are digits, this digit should not have sign. So we cannot take this. Right. We are left with the other one. What is it? A plus B equals 9 and A minus B equals 3. That means 2A equals 9 plus 3 12. A is 6 and A minus B is 3. That means B is 3. So this is the number 63. 63 minus 36. What is that? That is the number that is asked, right? 63 minus 36 is 27. 63 minus basically 27 is 36. And what is the other condition? Product of the digits is twice the sum of digits. What is the product of digits? 6, 3. 6 times 3, which is 18 equals 2 times 6 plus 3, 2 times 9, which is correct, right? 18 equals 2 times 9. Right, guys? Hope you like this. This is a nice problem. Thank you.